Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a flickering screen on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7, you're not alone. This issue can arise from a faulty display connector or a malfunctioning screen itself. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, affecting your overall viewing experience and potentially causing more significant hardware issues. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement screen module suitable for your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the screwdriver, carefully remove the back panel screws. Once all screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Be patient, as forcing it can lead to breakage. Now that we have access to the internal components, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the top of the device, connected to the motherboard. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector with your fingers or a plastic tool. Be cautious, as this part is delicate. Next, identify the screws that hold the screen in place. Remove these screws, being mindful of their size and location. As you lift the screen away, ensure you disconnect any remaining cables attached to it. Once the old screen is removed, take your replacement screen and align it carefully with the mounting brackets. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. When securing the screen with screws, do so firmly but not overly tight, to avoid damaging the new component. After everything is in place, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured. Power on your device to check if the screen flickering issue has been resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, always handle your device with care, avoid dropping it, and ensure that it is kept free from dust and moisture. Regularly check for software updates, as sometimes screen issues can be resolved with a simple update. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.